In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay zero transfer fee with Remitly. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see on the site and where the zero fee new customer offer shows up, so you know you're getting the deal before you continue. First, open the Remitly homepage. On the main screen, find the Send Money option and select it. This takes you straight into the transfer setup. You'll be asked where you're sending. Use the country selector to choose the destination. Picking the correct country ensures you see the right delivery options, local payout partners, and exchange rate. So take a second to confirm you've chosen the right place. Next, choose to send to a new recipient. This starts a fresh transfer so you can apply the offer on a brand new setup. You'll see fields for amounts next. Type the amount you want to send in the You Send box. As you type, the They Receive amount updates automatically based on the current exchange rate. This preview helps you understand exactly what your recipient will get, and it's where you'll notice if any fees are being applied. Now, select a delivery method. Click. Select one and pick how the money should arrive, like cash, pickup, or deposit. Different methods can change speed and availability, so choose what works best for your recipient in that country. Then select your payment method. Click. Select one again and choose how you want to fund the transfer. Your choice can affect processing time, so keep that in mind. When fee options appear, click Flat Fee. Even though you're choosing a flat fee, eligible new customers will see that fee reduced to zero once the offer is applied. You'll confirm that in the next screen. You'll land on the transfer summary. Review the destination country, delivery method, payment method, and both the You Send and They Receive amounts. Most importantly, look for the note that says a new customer offer is applied, zero fees, and a promotional exchange rate for the first 1,000 USD of this transfer. If you send more than that in a single transfer, the standard rate applies to the remainder. A quick tip: if you want the entire transfer to benefit from the promotional exchange rate, keep it within that first 1,000 USD limit, or consider separate transfers if timing and limits allow. Once everything looks right and you can see the zero fee note in the summary, click Continue. That's it. Your transfer is set up with no transfer fee, and you verified the promotional exchange rate before proceeding.